Righto, so for this tutorial I'll be using a 5mm hook and a nice thick cotton yarn so you can see what I'm doing. So once you've got these, come back and I'll show you what to do next. Righto, so we're just going to chain up 4 for this tutorial. 1, 2, 3, 4, just to make it nice and easy. Now the first one when you're doing the chain, just leave a space, like 1 chain from the hook, and then we're going to go into the first chain from the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, and then we pull through 2, and that starts our single crochet of this row. So then we'll do 2 more singles, 1, 2, into the chain, and then we'll turn our work. Now, when you're doing your single crochet standing, make sure you leave a little bit of loops. You don't want it to be heaps tight or it won't quite work. So you want it to be, you don't want it like a really long thing or you'll just be hanging out everywhere, but you also want it to be somewhat loose. So now we're going to go into the first stitch. So into the stitch here, we go through the loop, pull up a loop, yarn over, and then you've got 2 loops on the hook. We pull through those 2 loops. So we'll go through the loop, pull up a loop, pull through 2. Go through the loop, pull up, pull through 2. And then we turn our work. So again, make sure you've got a nice little gap. Your loop is a little bit loose. And then we're going to go through the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, and then we pull through those 2 loops, and that gives us a standing single crochet. So again, just do some single crochets to the end. Always remember that the last loop is going to be a little bit difficult because it's not the same as a normal one, so you might need to fiddle around with it a little bit, but it shouldn't be too hard to get to. And then we turn our work. So again, making sure we're a bit loose into our first single crochet space. We go through, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and then we pull through the 2 loops on the hook, and that creates our standing single. Again, keep going, 1, and then into that last one, 2. So I'll show you this one more time. Turn our work, going through the stitch, pull up a loop. We have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull through 2. That gives our standing. So yeah, I hope you like this tutorial on how to do standing single crochets. If you like the tutorial, please like and subscribe, and remember, if you need to know how to do your single crochets or how to do your foundation or your slip knots or any other stitches that are involved in this video, check in the description below and there will be a link on how to do them. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!